Welcome back to my channel, Easy Programming by Venu Gopal. In this video, I am going to explain to you about the tin primes. Okay, whether the two numbers are tin primes or not. Let me start. So I am opening the VS Code, and here I am creating one new file that is tinprimes.py. And let's write the question here. Program to check given two numbers are tin primes or not. So first of all, tin primes means what? Let's discuss the definition. See, if two numbers, we can say tin primes, if they satisfy these two conditions. So what are the two conditions? First of all, two numbers should be primes. Okay. If you want to say two numbers are tin primes, first of all, both numbers should be primes. Okay. Next condition is the difference between those two prime numbers should be 2. Difference is what here? 2. If they satisfy these two conditions, then such type of numbers are what here? Tin primes. That's it. Okay. Now we'll start the coding. So see, if anybody want to take the Python or Python full stack course with live sessions, I given the contact details in the description box. You can contact us. And for more such videos, you can subscribe the channel and click on bell button as well. Let's start our code. So here, first what we do, we will take the two numbers from keyboard, X value and Y value. So first we'll take the values from keyboard. Okay. Then after taking X value from keyboard, for that, we are going to count the number of factors. Okay, number of factors. And same way, we can take the Y value from keyboard and we'll count the number of factors. Then, if the number of factors for these two X and Y are 2 and difference also 2, then we can say those two X and Y are the tin primes. Otherwise, not tin primes. Let me implement the same as it is with coding. So first, as I said, let's take the input value from keyboard for the X. Enter X value. Okay, enter X value. Then here we have to count the factors. See, in the previous, I explained in the previous videos what is prime number, okay, how to check the prime number, and how to count the factors. All these videos I already created, and also those videos links also I'm going to provide in the description box. Okay, or you can check in the I button at the top right corner. You can watch them and come to this video so that you can understand this program very well. Okay, so let me start here. So here what you have to do after reading the X value. So we have to find the factors and then length as well. So, okay. So actually we have to find the length. So first of all, okay, let's take here factors equal to how to find here factors shortcut way using list comprehension for I in range of 1 to till X. Till X means you have to take one extra here, right? X plus 1. Okay. And then if you can divide the given X value with what? I. Okay, if this result is equal to 0, then what? I is a factor for X. So that I value you can add or append to the list like this. Okay, so this part in the previous video I explained very clearly to you. So now here we will get the factors, right? Here we will get the factors, but here actually our intention is not to print the factors this program, right? But however, just let me take it once. Suppose see, enter the X value 5. See, for the 5 factors are 1 and 5. 10, the factors are 1 to 5, 10. Okay, right. Now we should not display the factors here. Okay, our requirement is we have to find the number of factors. So for that there is a inbuilt function is there, right? Len of factors, so that it is going to count number of factors. Okay, I mean factors is a list, right? Okay, in that it is going to count how many elements are there. That is what. So number of factors of X. Let's write like this, one variable factors. X factors it like this. Same way, okay, just to display this X factors, I will show to you here X factors. So this time just I'm displaying the X factors. Suppose if I enter the 10, see, For the 10 factors are 1 to 5, 10. So that number of factors are 4 here, like that. So same way, what we do, we have to count the number of factors for another number, that is y. Okay. So don't display here. Let me remove this, and then I'll copy this and I'll paste over here, and then y. You can enter the y value here, and here you can change x to y like this. Just replace the x with y, and here y factors. That's it. Now here we got the x factors and also y factors. Now after that, we'll write a condition. If x factors should be how many? 2. At the same time, y factors, okay, logical AND operator, then y factors equal to 2. At the same time, then difference between the x and y also should be what? 2. X minus y equal to 2. Okay. And here, see, I will take here one function is called ABS. So ABS is a predefined function. It will return integer value, because sometimes suppose if I enter the suppose if I enter the 3 and 5. So 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 2. These two are prime numbers. Okay. And difference is minus 2 I'm getting. But actually I want to convert into positive value. That's why here I'm taking here ABS. It's going to return what here now? 2, but not minus 2 if I enter 3 and 5. Okay. Right. 2 equal to, that is true. Like that. So now if all these three conditions are true, then you can say print of given numbers are what? 10 primes. 10 primes, or you can write full message given two numbers are 10 primes. Then else, then print, so not 10 primes, not 10 primes. That's it. Save, and then run this program. Enter x value 5, y value 7. Now see, these two are the 10 primes, because here pi is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. Okay, so that we are getting the pi x factors 2, y factors 2, and difference also here 2, right? That's why the whole condition is true, so that it is displaying the 10 prime. Suppose if I enter 2, 3, these are not 10 primes. Actually 2, 3 are the prime numbers, but difference is what? 1. That's why actually these two conditions will satisfy, but this condition will not satisfy. It's a logical AND operator, right? If all these conditions are true, then only overall this expression returns what? True. Okay, that's why here in this case it is returning not 10 primes. Okay, so this code is little bit lengthy. Let me make it short. Okay, so if you want to make it short, okay, you can do like this. So what I do is actually you can find the length directly here only, like this. Okay, and you can remove this line from here. Let's remove here, and here x factors. Directly I'm finding the x factors. Same way y factors. So just directly you can find the factors of x and y. Okay, number of factors of x and y, number of factors directly. Then here also, instead of if else here, you can use the conditional operator syntax in Python. Okay, like this. Then this one also you can remove, and here remove the colon, then else not 10 primes. You know that? Yeah, you know, if you want, you can write here bracket. You can write here bracket like this. Now, if this condition is true, it will display 10 primes. If this condition is false, displays the not 10 primes. Let me save and run this program. See, it is very short way. Only 5 lines of code this is. Okay, save and run this. There is an error. Okay, sorry, here x value, x is missing the variable. Okay. See, enter the x value. Let's enter 5. Y value 7. Yes, 10 primes. Once again, 6, then 4, not 10 primes, right? So in that way, we also can make this code shortcut. See, actually this program, if you have done the previous videos, okay, I also explained the step by step, very step by step procedure also. But if you follow that procedure, it will be very, very lengthy. Around you are going to write the 15 lines of code. Okay, but instead of like that, you can follow this method so that you can write the program within few lines and also that too short period of time. Okay, that is what the advantage here. Okay, so for more such videos and for Python and Python full stack course, you can subscribe the channel, click on bell button, like the video and share this video to your friends as well. In the next video, I'll come with one more important program. Hare Krishna.